So if you have a Hyundai Santa Cruz like I have, you most likely have already realized that your windscreen wipers are actually a different size. So this one here on the passenger side, it's just half the size of the one you have on the driver's side. But if you ever realized, so my car is pretty new, I just have 7,000 miles, so I did not have to replace the wipers yet. But did you ever realize with an ordinary car, you can lift them up all the way and then you can change the wipers. But with the Hyundai Santa Cruz, it just stops here, and it's actually the same on the driver's side. So I am not sure if you just have to lift it up this way and then you change them. I guess that's the way they want you to do, but I think that's a pretty unusual design, because with all the cars I had before, you can lift the arm all the way up and then you can change your wipers and then you put them down. But apparently with this car, it's not intended to do like so. And the problem with that is, so when you lift it just this way, you always have that spring pushing down, right? So you actually have to hold that with one hand at all time, and then you just have one hand to change the wiper. Or maybe, I didn't try that, you have to lift the hood somehow, and then once it's up, you maybe can change it. But I just thought I'd bring that to your attention. In my opinion, that's actually not a user-friendly design. But you see that spring? And same here, of course, it has to put force on the windshield. But that would mean you would have to hold it with one hand, and then you need your other hand, and you have to replace the wiper just with one hand. And that is, I'm sorry to say that, Hyundai, I love that car, but that is a pretty bad design in my opinion.